Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we are about to unveil the mind-blowing world of free deepfake face swaps. Get ready to witness the jaw-dropping power of AI technology as we delve into the realm of visual manipulation and transformation. Join us on a journey into the world of free deepfake face swaps in this captivating YouTube video. Uncover the secrets behind visual manipulation and witness the power of AI technology at work. Get ready to be amazed by the art of face swapping as we explore this innovative technology. Don't miss out. Prepare to be astonished. The first tool we are going to look at is Akool. Akool is one of the world's most advanced face swap tool. And yes, it's free to use. One can easily swap faces in photos, videos, and produces photorealistic, AI-generated images with endless customization options. With Akool, the only limit is your imagination. It produces images and videos with the best-in-class AI tools for animated face swap, group face swap, and video face swap. Let's begin.
In this tutorial, I will show you the 3 ways to use Akool. The first is to use Akool to single swap a face. The second is to use Akool to change multiple faces in single image for group photos. And the last is for video face swap. To start, click on Log In. Now you can log in using your Google account, or you can choose to create an account. Then select Choose a File and import your desired image. Note 1 is given 50 credit. It costs 4 credit for each image each time, and 10 credit for a 10 seconds video each time. Then click on the plus icon and select an image that you would like to use for face swap. Navigate down to the Face Enhance tab and enable it to get a better output of the image. Then click here. Select the My Library icon to view your output results. Finally, click here to view or click here to download your image. Now the second way you can use Akool is to video swap an image to a video of your choice. To begin, select Choose a File and import your desired video. After the video has uploaded, it will detect different poses of the face of the uploaded video. Then click on the plus icon and select an image that you would like to use for face swap in the video, and it will automatically detect the different styles of the face in the video. Finally, select the uploaded photo you intend to use for the video swap. Navigate down to the Face Enhance tab and enable it in order to get a better output of the video. Then click here. Select the My Library icon to view your output results and download. Here's a comparison of the 2 videos before and after face swap. Now the last way you can use Akool is to swap multiple faces in single image for group photos, so let's begin. To begin, select Choose a File and import your desired video or image after the video has uploaded. It will automatically detect the different styles of the face in the video or different poses of the face of the uploaded video or images. Then click on the plus icon and select an image that you would like to use for face swap in the video or image. Then navigate down to the Face Enhance tab and enable it in order to get a better output of the video. Then click here. Select the My Library icon to view your output results and download. Here's a comparison of the 2 videos before and after face swap. The second tool we are going to look at is Deepfake Swap. Now, Deepfake Swap is one of the best face swapping apps on the internet. It uses some of the most advanced DeepSwap AI technology. It has no watermarks, no filters, and it's easy to use. It allows one to create avatars of anyone with just text. Just describe what you want your avatar to do with text and generate whatever you want. To start, click on Login and choose to create an account. Then select Choose a File and import your desired image. Next, select Create Swap and your image will be processed with the new face. Then click on Save and it's done. The third tool we are going to look at is faceswapper.ai. Faceswapper is one of the world's most advanced face swap tool. It's only made for swapping faces and images, and it's one of the easiest tools to use in the market. So let's begin. It gives you 6 credits, which means you can only share 6 photos per day without you signing up. But upon signing up, it allows swapping of up to 10 photos per day. Now to start, click on the Start Face Swapping icon, and then select on the Add Photo icon, and select your photo. Then click on the Confirm icon. Next, choose on the face you want for face swapping. After you're done, click on the Swap Face Now icon to start the process. And when the process is done, select on the Download icon to get your image. The fourth tool we are going to look at is facetool.ai. It's available as an app to use on your smartphone. This app helps you replace any face in a photo or video with your own. Generate professional portrait photos and themed headshots. To start, click on the Open Tab icon, and tap on the plus icon, and select on the Start Swapping Faces tab. Then select an image that you want to start for swapping. Next, select your target image or video. Then click on the Enhance Face icon, and finally select Start Swapping Faces tab. Then select on the Download icon to get your image or video. The fifth and final tool we are going to look at is Remarker.ai. Is one of the world's most advanced face swap tool. And yes, it's free to use. So let's begin. One can use Remarker to single swap a face, or for multiple faces swap in single image for group photos, and the last is for video face swap. For single face swap, select on the Face Swap Now icon, then upload your original image. Next, upload your target face, and click on the Swap tab icon to start face swapping. Finally, click on Download to get your image. Next, we are going to look on how to swap multiple faces for different images and photos, so let's begin. To begin, click on the Multiple Faces icon tab. For multiple face swap, you will have to log in using your Google account, or by creating an account. After logging in, select a file and import your desired image. Then click on the plus icon and select an image that you would like to use for face swap. Note 1 is given 30 credit, and it costs 4 credit for multiple face swap each time. Click on the Swap tab icon to start face swapping. And finally, click on Download icon to get your swapped image.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.